In a significant move, Apple is relocating its most extensive research and development lab from the United States to China. This decision marks a pivotal shift in the company's strategy, reflecting broader trends in the global tech industry. This strategic decision speaks volumes about the shifting dynamics in the tech world. It underscores the increasing importance of China not just as a manufacturing powerhouse, but as a burgeoning center for technological innovation and development. It highlights China's growing influence as a global tech hub. The country's rapid advancements in technology and infrastructure have made it an attractive destination for tech giants looking to expand their research capabilities. The move has sent ripples throughout the industry, raising questions about Apple's future direction. Analysts are keenly observing how this relocation will impact the company's innovation pipeline and competitive edge. Apple's decision comes amidst growing competition from Chinese tech giants, particularly Huawei. Huawei has been making significant strides in the tech world, challenging established players with its cutting-edge technology and aggressive market strategies. Huawei's rise has been nothing short of meteoric, challenging Apple's dominance in key markets. The company has managed to capture a significant share of the global smartphone market, thanks to its innovative products and competitive pricing. The Chinese company's success can be attributed to its aggressive pricing strategy, innovative products, and strong government support. This support has enabled Huawei to invest heavily in research and development, further solidifying its position in the tech industry. Apple's move to China is also driven by the country's massive market potential. With a population of over 1 billion people, China represents a vast and largely untapped consumer base for Apple. China boasts the world's largest smartphone market, and Apple is eager to tap into this vast consumer base. The company's presence in China could significantly boost its sales and market share in the region. The company is facing saturation in mature markets like the US, making expansion into new territories crucial for its growth. By establishing a stronger foothold in China, Apple aims to diversify its market presence and reduce its reliance on traditional markets. This strategic shift by one of the world's most valuable companies underscores the changing landscape of the tech industry. It reflects the growing importance of emerging markets and the need for companies to adapt to new global realities. It signals a new era where China is no longer just a manufacturing hub but a center for innovation and technological advancement. This move by Apple could pave the way for other tech giants to follow suit, further cementing China's status as a global tech leader. Huawei's emergence as a global tech titan has reshaped the competitive landscape, particularly for Apple. Once a relatively unknown Chinese brand, Huawei has rapidly ascended the ranks to become the world's second-largest smartphone manufacturer. This remarkable growth has been fueled by a combination of factors, including government support, aggressive pricing, and a focus on innovation. Huawei has made significant inroads in key markets, including Europe and Asia. Its smartphones, known for their advanced features and competitive prices, have resonated with consumers worldwide. The company has also invested heavily in research and development, resulting in cutting-edge technologies that rival those of Apple. Huawei's success has not gone unnoticed by Apple. The Cupertino-based giant has felt the pressure, particularly in China, where Huawei has established a commanding lead. Apple's market share in China has been steadily eroding, prompting the company to rethink its strategy. Are you enjoying the video? If yes, please subscribe, like and share our videos for more updated and exciting content. Let's continue. Huawei's ascent serves as a stark reminder of the intense competition in the tech industry. It highlights the need for companies like Apple to constantly innovate and adapt to stay ahead in an ever-evolving market. While Apple faces challenges from Chinese rivals like Huawei globally, it also grapples with a complex landscape in its home market, the United States. The competition is not just about market share, but also about technological advancements and consumer loyalty. The US tech sector is characterized by fierce competition, with companies constantly vying for market share and consumer attention. This environment fosters rapid innovation, but also creates immense pressure on companies to stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, ongoing trade tensions between the US and China have added another layer of complexity to Apple's operations. These tensions have led to stock market volatility affecting investor confidence and the overall stability of the tech industry. In the US, Apple faces stiff competition from Samsung, Google, and other established players. Each of these companies brings unique strengths to the table, whether it's hardware innovation, software integration, or ecosystem services. These companies are constantly innovating and releasing new products, keeping the pressure on Apple to maintain its edge. The race to introduce groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology is relentless. The smartphone market in particular has become increasingly saturated, making it challenging for Apple to sustain its growth trajectory. Consumers now have a plethora of choices, and brand loyalty is continually tested. Trade tensions between the US and China have also impacted Apple's business. These geopolitical issues have far-reaching consequences, affecting not just tariffs, but also supply chain logistics and international partnerships. Tariffs imposed on goods imported from China have increased the cost of manufacturing for Apple, which relies heavily on Chinese supply chains. This has forced the company to rethink its production strategies and explore alternative manufacturing locations. These trade disputes have created uncertainty for Apple and other tech companies with significant operations in China. The unpredictability of international trade policies makes long-term planning more difficult. Despite these challenges, Apple remains a dominant force in the US tech industry. Its ability to innovate and adapt has kept it at the forefront of technological advancements. Its brand recognition, loyal customer base, and innovative products continue to drive its success. The company's ecosystem of devices and services creates a seamless user experience that keeps customers coming back. However, the company must navigate these evolving dynamics carefully to maintain its position in an increasingly competitive market. Strategic planning, investment in research and development, and a keen understanding of global trends will be crucial for Apple's continued success. The value shift. Consumers seek affordable innovation. A significant trend shaping the tech industry is the evolving consumer preference for budget-friendly devices that don't compromise on features. This shift is driven by a growing awareness among consumers about the true value of technology and the realization that high-quality devices don't necessarily have to come with a hefty price tag. Consumers are increasingly discerning, demanding value for their money without sacrificing quality or innovation. They are no longer swayed by flashy marketing or brand prestige alone. Instead, they seek out products that offer the best performance and features for their budget. This shift in consumer behavior has put pressure on premium brands like Apple to adapt their strategies. Companies that once relied on brand loyalty and high price points are now finding it necessary to rethink their approach to stay competitive in a market that values affordability and functionality. The rise of affordable yet feature-rich smartphones from Chinese manufacturers like Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo has disrupted the market. These brands have successfully captured a significant share by offering devices that rival premium brands in terms of specifications and performance, but at a fraction of the cost. These companies offer devices with comparable specifications to premium brands but at significantly lower prices. This has made it difficult for traditional premium brands to justify their higher price points, especially when consumers can get similar features for less. This has forced Apple to reconsider its pricing strategy, particularly in price-sensitive markets. The company has had to find a balance between maintaining its premium image and appealing to a broader audience that is more cost-conscious. Consumers are no longer willing to pay a premium solely for brand name or perceived status. They are more interested in the actual performance and value of the device, leading to a more competitive market where features and affordability are key. They are more informed than ever before and carefully evaluate the price-to-performance ratio when making purchasing decisions. Online reviews, comparison charts, and user feedback play a crucial role in their decision-making process, making it essential for brands to deliver on their promises. This trend has led to a decline in the average selling price of smartphones, putting pressure on profit margins for premium brands. As consumers become more price-sensitive, companies must innovate not just in technology, but also in their pricing and marketing strategies to maintain profitability. Apple, known for its premium pricing, has had to adjust to this changing landscape. The introduction of more affordable models is a clear indication of the company's efforts to remain relevant and competitive. The company has introduced more affordable models, such as the iPhone SE, to cater to budget-conscious consumers. This move has allowed Apple to tap into a new segment of the market that values both quality and affordability. It has also emphasized the value proposition of its products, highlighting features and software updates that justify the premium price tag. By focusing on the long-term benefits and superior user experience, Apple aims to convince consumers that their products are worth the investment. Huawei's Asian stronghold. Backed by government support, Huawei has established a formidable presence in the Asian market, particularly in its home country of China. The company enjoys strong brand recognition and a loyal customer base in the region. This dominance is partly attributed to government support, which has played a significant role in Huawei's rise. The Chinese government has identified technology as a key driver of economic growth and has implemented policies to support domestic tech champions like Huawei. These policies include financial incentives, research grants, and preferential treatment in government contracts. Huawei's close ties to the Chinese government have also facilitated its expansion into international markets. The company has secured lucrative contracts to build telecommunications infrastructure in developing countries, often with financing support from Chinese state-owned banks. This government backing has given Huawei a significant advantage over its competitors, including Apple. It has allowed the company to invest heavily in research and development, expand its manufacturing capacity, and offer competitive pricing. Huawei's success in Asia, particularly in China, demonstrates the impact of government support in shaping the tech landscape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Apple's move in the comments below. If you're interested in exploring the future of tech competition, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive into the exciting world of AI and robotics.
Subscribe to Revo now and join our vibrant community of forward thinkers, change makers, and revolutionaries.